guys, good morning. It's a sucky morning. I took shower very early, but the morning is what I'm feeling this morning is the pain, the monthly pain I have sucky morning because I don't really want to deal with the pain, and I try to take an Midol, but sometimes it helps. This time it doesn't help. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go downstairs and relax. I have a new subscribers. I will going to shout out you later. I have to go downstairs and check it out. And anyway guys, thank you again for subscribing and everything. But anyway guys, thank you and I'll see you later. Morning everyone. Shout out to Dina Santelisis and Charlie Castellio and Kim Tirol and Anna Kastarova. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 99 subscribers. Look at this, is spoiled bratty. Anyway guys, thank you for subscribing, and I really do appreciate all for watching and for subscribing me, and thank you. They're staring at me like, what the heck? What's going on with our mother? There's something's wrong with her. I'm just gonna go back downstairs and just to continue watching Pretty Little Liars. Hi guys, thank you for subscribing. I'm so freaking shocked. I'm shocked guys that I have reached 100 subscribers. It's nice to know that I have 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. I'm sorry guys if it's dark right here because I'm going to watch my show and I like it dark that I can see the screen better. Yeah, that's the reason why I like dark when I'm watching something, especially if I turn the big screen, because I like to watch show or movie in the big screen. So that's why I have it dark here. And my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I reached 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really did appreciate all you for subscribing and watching my shows. Watching my vlog.
Another Pretty Little Liars, guys. I have to catch up before I'm going somewhere. Because I still have to catch up along. This is a season 2, so I have like 3 more.
Stop working on these videos. They're dangerous. Especially since the people we're talking about are in this town watching me.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Dimples. Good morning, Dimples. Oh, good morning. Today is Sunday. And what month are we today? Oh, October, I think 26, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think. And thank you for subscribing. Yesterday I reached 100 subscribers. I'm gonna move hubs. This couch is like a rocking chair and a recliner, so every time you sit in it, she will just like keep moving like that. Anyway, good morning to you guys. Hi guys, I'm gonna continue watching my show later, but already 9:30. Let's see if my husband's awake. He's working today. My husband and the cat sleeping together. Of course, it's the cutest one, the little one, Hubs. It's like face to face. They're sleeping face to face. I think that he liked the sun, huh? Hello guys, this is the cat's ear, but the sun is going, you can see the bloodline vein. Yeah, that's his bloodline, right? Because it's in the sun, you can see it, you can see through it. Wow, amazing. Hubs, we're still looking. Hubs, we're still looking. And the other cat's in there. My husband opened the window.
Like fresh air, hon.
Hi, good morning, babies. My 3 babies in bed. I love you, Opi. Birds. It's pretty good. My tomato is dying. I have to give the cats treats because they don't have lunch. You guys, I have a subscriber. Her name is Aurora. I have some question for you. You can leave me a comment. You have cats, right? And you told me you have cats. And how many times you feed your cat? Because we feed our cat like early in the morning. My husband usually feed them early in the morning, like 5 o'clock in the morning or something 4, because you know I get up sometimes late, so that's why he feed them early, too early, yeah. But and then I give them treats, you know, in the middle of the day, like just now. It's time is 2 o'clock, and sometimes 12, something like that. But it's very little treats, or sometimes a little bit of dry food. And we give them dinner, as in the real dinner, at like 5, between 5 and 6. I just want to know if you know how many times you feed a cat, because that I don't know, to be honest. That I don't really know if how many times you have to feed the cats. And sometimes my husband is giving too much. If my husband's here, I'm just gonna go outside and look. Sorry. It's pretty quiet out here. And yeah, it's not really cold, but it's why the light is on. Look, the light is on. There's no one in there. But anyway, yeah, it's not really cold. It's windy, but it's not cold. Yeah, I'll show you the neighbor. It's like you have a, oh, you don't see it, it's dark. My cats are so nosy. When I went outside, they're all like following me. Guys, I forgot that it's Walking Dead tonight.
It's just warm. Gym lasted almost 2 days.